What's up, everybody? This is T-Roy here with T-Roy's Toys, and on today's video we'll be working on some handles, and I'm going to give you an update of the shop. Yeah, you can see, give you all a little quick update. We got the front of the shop put on. Very nice roll-up door. Never really had one of these before, so now that we got this put in, the cost to put just that part on, not even the back wall, just that part, was a little shy of $2,000. So since we paid for this part, we need to save as much money as we can on the back part. Now guys, on the last video we built the doors for the back wall of the shop, and we didn't quite finish them. I got them painted, got them put on, and they're just holding together, but I needed some door handles. Now I went to the local hardware store and went around and just looking for just regular plain door handles. They want $10 a piece for them, and I want one, two on the outside, two on the inside. That is $40 for handles. So I was thinking, what could I do just to make a cheap handle? Well, let me show you what I got. So my idea to make some door handles was to use some of these. Now this is left over from the fencing project we did around the house. It's part of an old dog kennel. But basically what I want to do is bend this to where it makes a door handle. There we go, guys. Alright guys, there it is. It's pretty simple. Just kind of had to bend it, manipulate it. Now, is it perfect? Absolutely not. Will it work? Yes. So anyway, I'm going to bang out the other three and then we'll put them on the doors. Figure a good spot to put them would be right about here. So let's start there. Now, once again, in the spirit of doing things cheap, because I am a cheap bastard, I had this laying around. I think it's for another project, so we're going to use it for this one. It's like I knew what I was doing all along. It's all right. So basically, Well, alrighty guys, there you have it. The doors are D-U-N-N done. Let me show you the back side. Here's the back side or outside, whichever one you want to call it. Worked pretty good. Well, alrighty guys, there you go. There's a quick little update for you, and I hope you enjoyed the little homemade door handles. I like it because it didn't really cost me anything. Saved us 40 bucks. It's gonna work just fine. Now, are they perfect? No, but hey, for free 99, you can't beat it. Well, anyway guys, that's it for this short little video. Well, thank y'all for watching. Remember, please like, subscribe, all that mumbo jumbo everybody else always says. Thank you for watching, and y'all have a good evening.